Take a look at these gains. His cousin is finally listening. Plus 1,200 yesterday on Apple calls, plus 538 yesterday on Apple calls, plus another $598 today on Apple calls, and plus $235 on more Apple calls. Incredible. This is why I love the WAP. I can see the members that are currently making gains every week. It is beautiful to see. Let's get into the video. Let's break down some of the stocks that we are looking at now. There are many stocks that you should be watching, but let's break down a few of them. Microsoft at this $390 level. We've been talking about this in the WAP. Buying this dip at $350. It was a no-brainer. We have added shares to our current position at $350. Waiting for this to blast up. It's just got to get past this resistance right here at $390. Once we get past this, we're going to go to the moon. Also, look at SpaceX, another stock that we have been watching, discussing in the WAP, watching that 150 level, is currently holding, but make no mistake about it, we got to get above this $174 level. That is the next point of resistance. So right now, keep it on your watch list. I also want to bring up a few other stocks that I've really sold off. Looking at MU stock, finally getting a breather after this massive move on the 1-year chart. Some people are sitting pretty looking at it from $200 per share. If you're in the comment section below and you have MU below $500, I want to know. Congrats to you. That's awesome. Let's see if we can hold here. If we can't, we're going to start pulling back into this $700 to about $680 zone. So I would pay attention to these levels. Let's continue to wait and see if we get some more. Obviously, Netflix was a buy at these levels. Everybody acts like this company is going out of business. This is an excellent opportunity. We also have been discussing buying this at $70. I know there are a few members of the WAP that have bought this at $70, which is excellent. So right now, they're in the green. They're sitting here up 8 to 9% right now, waiting to see, can we get that retest back up to $85 per share? Another stock that I think you should pay attention to is A-Lab. A-Lab is a beautiful stock. This has gone up, 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 and now it is starting to pull back, which is beautiful. Topped out at 500. Let's see what it does. Is it going to hold this 382 level? If it doesn't hold, let's look for pushback down to 300. That would be beautiful to see. And for all my dividend holders, I just want to update you. I did buy a little bit of SEHD this month, added to the current position. I bought them on this dip down here. So now we're going to see, we had a little dip buy to 31.5, added more there. I'm going to continue to ride this bad boy up. It's trading at the top of the channel. I'm going to continue to ride that. Meta stock is basically had a nice fake out over the last day or two. Went up to 630, pulled back to 584. The move is not dead. I think this kind of reinvigorated it. You just got to wait and see now. Are we going to get this push up higher? I want to see 584 up here, hold 600, and then blast up. Had that beautiful news that they popped up. Now we'll have to see where it goes from there.